Welcome to today's review of The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This classic book, first published in 1949, is often hailed as the Bible of value investing. Graham introduces the concept of Mr. Market, an allegory for the stock market's irrational behavior, teaching investors to take advantage of market fluctuations. He emphasizes the importance of a margin of safety, advocating for investments in undervalued stocks to minimize risk. The book is divided into three main parts: general investing principles, specific stock selection strategies, and commentary by Jason Zweig. Graham's wisdom combined with Zweig's modern insights makes this edition highly valuable for contemporary investors. Key takeaways include understanding the difference between investment and speculation, the importance of thorough analysis, and maintaining a disciplined approach. Graham's advice encourages a long-term perspective, helping investors to build wealth sustainably. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, The Intelligent Investor offers timeless strategies for achieving financial success. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful book reviews.